In this tutorial, we'll explore Lambda functions, also known as anonymous functions in programming. They offer a quick way to define small, single-use functions without the formal structure of a standard function. Let's start by understanding the basic syntax of Lambda functions in Python. Lambda functions are especially useful in scenarios where you need a simple function for a short period of time, such as when using higher-order functions like map, filter, and reduce. Let's see how you can use them with the map function to apply a transformation to each element in a list. While Lambda functions are powerful, they have limitations. They can only contain a single expression, which means you can't have multiple statements or complex operations within them. This encourages simplicity and readability but might restrict their use in complex logic.